Hello everybody. What we're doing here is filling out some categorical data, and I have three different colors of dice. I have gray, white, and blue. And with these three colors, I have more. Later on I will roll them all and show you exactly how I come up with this table. But I want to record how many ones I get, how many twos I get, how many of each number that I get, and put that into a table so I can compare the different statistical measurements that we want to. Okay, so I have a white die, and I have a gray, and I have a blue. So I've already rolled these dice, and I'll show you kind of my table that I came up with. It's right here. So the number of white dice that I rolled a 1 on, so here's the number 1, 2, 3, all the way through 6, and the number of the white dice that came out, a 1 was, there were none of them, so I put 0 there, and the number of white dice that I got a 2 was 4, and the number of white dice that got a 3 was 3, and so on, and the number of blue and gray dice that had those different results are all right there. So I'll go ahead and fill out this chart on a piece of paper, and I want to show you how we analyze this data that we just got. Okay, so switch over there. So I'll go ahead and fill out this chart and pause the video. Okay, we're back. So I filled out all those different results, and this is for the numbers, and this could be any category that we want. So in this case we're using numbers. So the numbers, the category is the ones, right? And the category is 2s and 3s. It could be different categories. It could be like colors, or it could be subjects that you have in school or something like that. Okay, now a useful thing to do with these two-way tables is to come up with the total number of white dice, right? So this is total, and I would just add all of these up. So I do 4 plus 3, 0 plus 4 is 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 more is 10, plus 2 more is 12, plus 3 more is 15, and 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 13, 13 plus 4 is 17. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, 9, there's a 10, and 14. Okay, so that's the total number of white dice, total number of gray dice, total number of blue dice. And now I also want to add them up this way. Now I don't add the category, because this could be a color, right? It could be how many red did I get if the dice had different colors on each side, for example. So the category I don't add, but I want to add how many results were a 1. So I had 2 plus 2, which is 4. So this is also a total in this direction. Okay, and then 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 3 more is 11, 7 plus 3 is 10, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, now when I add up the total this way, it should be the same as the total this way. So I'm going to sum these. So 17 plus 15 would be 12, carry the 1, so 32. And then 32 plus 14 would be 46. So I should get 46 if I add. So this is kind of my guess that this will also be 46. So when I add this up, let's see, 10 plus 11 is 21, plus 4 is 25, so I'm like 25 to there, plus 6 more would be 31. This is not very clear. 31, and then plus 7 will be 38. 38 plus 8 is 46. So that checks out. Okay, and then in the next video I'm going to analyze this data and give you percentages for each dice.